This story is dedicated to my 2020-2021 grade 11 biology students. This is my penance for working you so hard. The Invasion of Emmaland, a story inspired by Emma's presentation. The magical world of Emmaland lay peacefully in the heart of the kingdom of Enchantus. Emmaland was full of blue ponds and lakes in which magical pipefish swam among the aquatic reeds and lilies. Emmaland had 5 species of pipefish: red jewels, orange sneakers, yellow lemons, green-boogies, and purple-pukers. And while the world of Emmaland was peaceful and in balance, the balance was maintained by the ferocious competition of the pipefish in the crystal blue ponds that dotted the world. Red jewels were elusive. They spent their days hiding among the red crystal reeds of the pond. But occasionally you would spot the red jewels, because whenever a delicious green boogie swam by, the hiding red predator would cast a flash spell and blind the poor boogie's eyes. Before the dazed boogie could recover, the red jewel would slash into him with his razor-sharp teeth. Orange sneakers were also sharp-toothed predators, but they were tiny and not good at hunting. Instead, they would wait for their prey, the purple-pukers, to leave their nests in the morning, and then they would steal the puky purple eggs. They had to be sneaky though, because purple-pukers nested in colonies and they always left a few guards on duty during the day. If a guard spotted an orange sneaker, it would teleport across the colony nesting grounds and set upon the puny orange invader with its razor-sharp teeth. The only hope for an attacked orange sneaker was for it to blind the purple-puker with their flash spell and swim away for dear life. But orange sneaker's ability to flee was not fail-proof against its own predator, the yellow lemons. These crafty hunters were deadly due to their shape-shifting ability. It was not unheard of for a poor, unsuspecting orange sneaker to bite the dust when it tried to take a little nap in a cozy cave, only to find the cave transform into a yellow lemon with deadly razor teeth. Green-boogies were the gentlest creatures in the pond. They loved to spend their days swimming around the surface of the pool, soaking in the sunlight. They used the sunlight to produce glucose. These poor green-boogies were not just hunted by red jewels, but were constantly being fished out of the pond by young Emmalander children who snacked on these delicious sugary boogies. Purple-pukers had the most magical abilities in the ponds of Emmaland. Not only could they shapeshift, but they could also teleport. In order to catch red jewels, they would shapeshift into little jewels around the red reeds of the pond. When a red jewel revealed itself, the purple-puker would wait patiently until its eyes recovered from the flash. Then, while the red jewel was devouring its green boogie, the purple-puker would teleport behind the red jewel in its true form and devour its prey. One day, the evil wizard Kelly Maharaj decided to attack the magical world of Emmaland. She sneaked some blue steves into the crystal blue ponds of Emmaland. Blue steves were deadly. Not only could blue steves do almost anything the other pipefish could do, he was blue and could not be seen from a distance even if he was swimming right up to you. The only magical trick that Steve could not do was the blinding flash spell like red jewels and orange sneakers. So Steve hated red jewels and orange sneakers. But red jewels spent most of their time hiding in the reeds, and Steve did not like their taste anyway. So although he hated red jewels, he left them alone. But orange sneakers were constantly being devoured by Steve. Steve thought they tasted like chicken, and Steve liked chicken. The introduction of blue steves to Emmaland caused chaos, so the Council of Youth decided something needed to be done. But what? The Mage-Rianna had an idea. What if she made a colorful potion that could bind to blue Steve and prevent him from altering his shape? Such a potion would make Steve visible and prevent him from using shape-shifting to hunt. Thus proposed Mage-Rianna, her potion would control blue Steve's population by making him an ineffective hunter. But the youth were skeptical. Mage-Rianna's potions were dubious. Should they trust her this time? We will see, because the Youth Council is about to meet. But first, a clear understanding of the pikefish is required, so all members of the council must analyze the situation before the meeting. Files to assist you in this matter are in the video description below.